Okay, hi guys. So this is our first lecture in our series of organic chemistry lectures. So here we'll be seeing how the first organic compound was actually prepared in the laboratory, and then we'll be seeing how to represent organic compounds. So the series of video lectures contains many video lectures in which I had tried to mainly focus on your practice on solving organic chemistry problems as far as exams are concerned, and I actually believe that if the students practice more on this examples, that's the only way how you can learn organic chemistry. Means you cannot just learn with the concepts, though I have also covered concepts extensively in this series, but I have also tried to give as much as possible examples hand in hand with the concepts. So I hope you enjoy watching these lectures, and so that you get better scores in your national and international level competitions. Okay, so let's start. So introduction to organic chemistry. So what is the definition of an organic compound? Organic compound or is basically a hydrocarbon and its derivative. And what is organic chemistry? Organic chemistry is basically the study of hydrocarbons and its derivatives. So that's the definition of organic chemistry, plain and simple. Okay, so study of hydrocarbons and its derivatives. Okay, and the first organic compound prepared in the laboratory was urea. So urea is the first organic compound prepared in the laboratory from inorganic compound. Okay, so let us write the equation as to how urea was prepared. So this is ammonium isocyanate. On heating ammonium isocyanate, it got converted into urea. So all credit goes to Wooler. He did this experiment, because of whom we are studying a separate branch of chemistry known as organic chemistry. Okay, so this is ammonium isocyanate, and this is urea. Okay, so now we'll be discussing as to how we represent organic compounds. So representation of organic compounds. Okay, so basically we have three forms. We can either represent them as a dash formula, or B, which is called condensed formula, and C, which is known as bond line notation. Okay, so we'll be seeing a lot of examples as to how these organic compounds are actually can be represented through all of these three different means. So in this lecture, as this is just an introductory lesson, so our video, so I'm just giving you one such examples, but we'll be seeing a lot of these examples in the coming video lectures, so that you get a complete understanding on the representation part of the compounds. So the dash formula goes something like this. In which I will be completing the valency of carbons. I hope you all know that the valency of carbon is 4 and has to be satisfied by attaching the adjacent atoms, and the adjacent atoms which we attached in organic compounds is hydrogen near to the carbon atom. That's the simplest form of how to represent organic compound. Okay, so this is actually a dash formula. So this is A. Now when we try to represent this as a condensed formula, we'll be representing it by actually condensing the number of hydrogen atoms here by just the numeric value. Okay, so this was actually the first this was actually this carbon. Okay, so I'll just represent for the intermediate carbons this and this. So it would be CH2, CH2 again, and for this carbon this is CS3. Okay, so just count the number of hydrogen atoms which are attached to a carbon atom, and then just write that number. And when you represent this as a bond line notation, so the bond line notation would be just representing these via nodes and or vertices and edges. So the nodes represent the carbon atoms. So there are 4 carbon atoms in this compound. So let me draw 4 nodes. These are 4 small dots or nodes. So these are all connected via straight line. So this is a chain. Okay, so I hope you are clear as to how we represent all organic compound using these 3 formats, and we'll be seeing a lot of examples in the coming video lectures of each and every concept I tell you, and you can just apply them in your practice problems or whatever book you are referring to, whatever test series you have joined, whatever exam you are preparing for. It is an exhaustive videos on organic chemistry. Okay, so with this note I'll end this lecture. So till then, good luck and goodbye.